Hey guys, I just wanted to do this video real quick today to showcase the new GoPro 6 and some of the stuff I got with it. Sorry if I don't seem real enthusiastic, it's a little early for me, but I'm trying, so if I seem a little groggy, that's why. So, I got the new 6, it's on sale now. I think GoPro even lowered the price, it's like $400 now. But I actually bought all this stuff on Best Buy, and all this shit's on sale right now for me, so this was $400 for the new GoPro 6. I got the extra battery and charger. I only paid like $40 for that, I think. I got this super kick-ass SanDisk micro SD card. It's 128 gigabytes. Says speeds up to 100 megabytes per second or whatever. It's for action cameras. It's super fast uploading to phones and apps. So this is way better than anything I've had. This was normally priced at $230. I only paid $80 for it. So this new card should kick ass and it'll have plenty of memory. And then this accessory kit here. I've had a GoPro for a few years. I've always needed this stuff. So I finally got the little head thing and a stand and a suction cup and a few other things. So take a close look. Alright, so there's everything out of the box. The Insignia accessory kit I got came with this kind of hard case. It's hard but flexible. So obviously this is the headband thing. The suction cup, which swivels and turns and such. Handlebar mount, which I can already tell you now that will definitely go on a gun barrel. So we're gonna make some sweet videos with that. The attachments, this you know, the selfie stick thing or whatever you wanna use it for. Then the GoPro itself comes with a couple of its own adhesive mounts and its battery. There's the extra charger and battery and its cord and a SanDisk. Alright guys, so this is mostly just you know, kind of a channel update video and displaying the GoPro, and to inform that I'm going to be doing a bunch of video tests with this really soon within the next few days. Going to test out the new 6 and see how it does. We're going to test the slow motion, 4K. Going to test the image stabilization, audio test, how well it picks up sound and stuff. We're going to test out the zoom. So it's pretty much just to showcase it and let you know what's to come. So if you want to see what this thing's capable of, subscribe or stay tuned. I'm going to test out all the features of it and see how well it performs. I'm also getting a Galaxy S9 in a few weeks when it comes out, and I'm going to have videos of that too. So I'm going to have a combination of this new GoPro 6, Galaxy S7 I'm recording with right now, and my new S9 in a few weeks to make hopefully some really kick-ass videos for you guys with guns and cars and shit.